Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in the previous video we have learned how to delete the first node of a linked list. So in this today's lecture we are going to learn how to delete the last node. So let us understand it step by step using very easy words. So without any delay, let's begin our today's lecture. Suppose we have a linked list. So let me write suppose we have linked list 10, 20, 30 and the null value. So this is our initial linked list. So we want to delete the last node. Last node means 30. We want to delete the 30. So after deletion, the linked list should become 10, 20 and null. So this is our output. So the node containing 30 should be removed. So we have successfully removed. So how can we do it? So let us understand it. Suppose we have train. Suppose let me give an example. Suppose we have coach 1 and coach 2 and coach 3. It is connected. So if we want to remove the last coach, that means if we want to remove the C3, we must reach the first coach to the last coach. That means we need to reach first to last. So then we must remove, we can disconnect easily. So this is the exactly how linked list is gonna work. So to delete the last node, we need two pointers. So we need two pointers. Of the first pointer is the first point is current. So current and second pointer is previous. So these are the two pointers we need to delete the last element in the linked list. So initially, let me write the code. So initially it will be node, struct node, star current, current initially equal to head. So this is a current value. So for previous, start previous. So start previous it will be null value. So this is the code. So current starts from the first node. So current starts from the first node. That means head. So previous starts as the null. So now we move until current reaches the last node. So for that we need a while loop. So let me write. So we need while loop. So while current next, current next should not equal to null. So current next should not equal to null value. So in the brackets. So what we need to write? So we need to write previous equal to current. So previous equal to current. So on the next line, current equal to current next. Current equal to current next. So this is our while loop code. So let me tell how it works. So this while loop is very important because previous stays one node behind current. So previous stays one node behind the current. So this is all about the code and the logic. So let us run a dry run. So let me take an example. Suppose let us take a previous example 10, 20, 30 and the null value. So we need to remove the last node. That means we need to remove 30. So initially previous. So previous equal to null value and current equal to 10. So current equal to 10 and previous equal to null. So in the first iteration, so this is a first iteration. So in the first iteration, previous. So in our first iteration, previous equal to 10 and current equal to 20. So in this is a first iteration. So in the second iteration, previous becomes 20 and current becomes 30. So now current is at the last node. So current is at the last node. So now loop gonna stops. So current situation it will be previous equal to 20 and current equal to 30. So now we need to disconnect the last node. So for we need to disconnect we need to write previous. So previous next equal to we need to disconnect we need to give null value. So null value. So null. So now we are successfully disconnect the previous node. So now the null gonna becomes the linked list becomes 10, 20 and the null. So now 30 is disconnected. So on the next line we need to free the memory. For that we need to free the current element, current linked list. So that's why we are writing current, free the current value. So now successfully deletion completed. So the most important lines are this line. Previous next equal to null and free current. So remember them carefully. So these two lines. So let me highlight it. So this line and this line is very important for deletion at the end of a linked list. So remember it. So now we are going to see the C code for all deletion of an element at the end of a linked list. So this is the code. I have already written the code for you. So this is these two header files are important to for linked list. So I think I don't need to tell it again. So this is our struct node. We are declared int data and struct node next. So here is a main function. So we are declared star head and second and third, and we are dynamically allocated using malloc function here. So head, second, and third, and we have stored some data. I mean, we are given some data to the values. So head is 10, and the second is 20, and third is 30. So these are our values. So here comes our concept. So struct node star current equal to head, and struct node star previous equal to null. So this is our concept. So on the next line we have while current next is not equal to null. So this loop gonna continue until current next is not equal to null. So previous becomes current and current equal to current next. So when current next equal to null, the loop will be stopped. So as I mentioned there, these two lines are important. So previous next equal to null and free the current value. Current will become head value. So this is the code. So and we are using this while loop. Current is not equal to null to print the all elements in the linked list. So this is the code. So the output will be 10 and 20. So let me ask some important questions like why do we need two pointers? So one pointer finds the last node and the another points remember the node before it. So this is the important use of two pointers. So the next question is, can we delete the last node using only one pointer? So the answer is no, because after reaching the last node, we need the address of the previous node. It's obviously we need the previous of the last node. So what will be the time complexity of this operation? So the time complexity will be, let me, so time complexity will be, so let me ask the different, can you guess the time complexity? So let me tell again. So the while loop, I mean, we are traversing the entire linked list to delete the last element of the linked list. So the automatic time complexity will be, yes, it be gonna become big O of n. So the time complexity is big O of n because we are traveling to the linked list. So this is all about the deletion of an element at the last of a linked list. So I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.